7-Day Plan for Rapid YouTube Growth Boost. Strategies for Practitioners. Day 1. Define your niche and value proposition. 8:30-12:30. Define your niche. Identify the specific area of content that you excel in and that resonates with your target audience. According to HubSpot, businesses with a defined niche have a 48% higher market share. By defining your niche, you'll create content that appeals directly to your audience, increasing engagement and growth. Day 1 continued. Optimize video titles and descriptions. 12:30-16:30. Optimize video titles. Use keywords relevant to your niche in your title to attract viewers searching for that content. Tubular Insights reports that videos with optimized titles grow 68% faster than those without. Optimizing video titles helps increase visibility and attract more viewers, leading to growth. Day 1 continued. Implement SEO best practices. 16:30-18:30. Implement SEO best practices. Use tags and descriptions effectively, create engaging thumbnails, and ensure videos are mobile-friendly. Google's mobile-first indexing emphasizes the importance of mobile optimization, with 70% of YouTube traffic coming from mobile devices. Statista. By optimizing for mobile, you reach a larger audience and improve your chances of growth. Day 2. Leverage social media promotion. 8:30-12:30. Leverage social media promotion. Share video links on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to attract viewers from diverse communities. Buffer found that tweets with video received 10x more engagement than those without. Promoting videos on social media increases visibility and drives growth. Day 2 continued. Collaborate with other YouTubers. 12:30-16:30. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with creators who share your audience to expand your reach and gain new subscribers. According to YouTube, collaborations generate more views and engagement than solo videos. Collaborating with fellow content creators helps boost growth by tapping into their audience. Day 2 continued. Engage with your audience. 16:30-18:30. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls to foster a community and encourage viewer interaction. A study by Pew Research Center found that viewers are more likely to engage when creators respond to comments. Engaging with your audience fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to share your content, leading to growth. Day 3. Analyze your performance. 8:30-12:30. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube analytics to identify trends, track viewer demographics, and understand engagement patterns. According to Google, 70% of marketers use analytics to measure content performance. Analyzing performance helps you make informed decisions about future content and growth strategies. Day 3 continued. Optimize based on analytics. 12:30-16:30. Optimize based on analytics. Adjust video titles, descriptions, and tags based on insights from your performance analysis. A study by vidIQ found that optimizing videos can increase watch time by up to